we're back once again. It's a white Christmas, so Feliz Navidad, everybody. Um, Once again, it's me and Shubham announcing a brief introduction about Symposium and giving you our cordial invitation to come on in and join in for a celebration of options. As always, episode number 4. Everything is going hybrid, so we thought we'll also go hybrid this time. So it's gonna be so there was a choice between either doing an in-person event or an online event. After debating a lot, Shubham gave a verdict. We'll do both. So it's a bit of in-person and bit of online. All of you can be sitting inside of your cozy homes and greeting and meeting us and getting all the knowledge that you can. And on the delivering side, we'll try and make sure that as many speakers that we can accommodate to be online along with us. That is something that we're planning. So just a brief, as Shubham would say, actionable. That's what's required. So here's to Shubham.
So every year I think it has become a tradition, at least at Concept and most of our clients, that it has been a big learning event. And for the last year we did it online because of COVID, and this year also we thought that we could do it in person, but seems like that we will have to again do it online. So the theme will still remain the same, that our agenda will be to learn more and more about options as much as possible on the practical aspect of it. So we will have most of the speakers who will be coming up, they'll be talking about an actionable strategy that you can execute, because that's the key focus area that we have always kept in mind. Other than that, the second or the unique thought this time will be, instead of doing panel discussions where everyone is too humble, like we both are talking, right? We both are being too humble to each other. But there might be something which I might not agree with Bhavin when it comes to an option strategy, right?
Yeah.
So even though for both of us we have a lot of similarities, but at least for other people in the research team, someone likes selling naked option, and instead of hedging it at bad times, they want to go and protect it and again play with fire. But my behavior might be different. So how do we get the best out of both, right? So the idea will be that instead of doing a panel discussion this time, we are planning to do a debate, right? So I think India has a lot of culture of debate anyways, so I don't need to explain it to you. So debate is what we'll be doing. The summary of that will be that, instead of being humble to each other, if we can really have something which people can take away, or you can have a takeout which you can go and apply, and that will tell you what is practically possible and what is not practically possible. So that's something unique that we'll do, and I think we'll see you at the event 22nd, 23rd January. It's online, but then a twist is that we are trying that most of the speakers comes to our premises and presence, because if we do that, then the kind of quality that we'll be able to maintain in the online delivery will be good. Second is that if one of the panel is what we are trying to be in person, if that happens, then you get a proper feel. So it's a physical event relayed online,
Yeah.
right? So that's what it is. So we'll see you there.
See you there, 22nd and 23rd. Don't go anywhere. It's about -5 right now. So giving you guys a bit of a lowdown on Canadian winter. Once again, a very happy New Year and upcoming Christmas holidays, and see you in the New Year with the best of the options that has to offer, right? About 12 speakers, 8 panelists. It's going to be a bonkers session with 14 to 16 sessions. Take the most out of it. Be around 22nd and 23rd of January. See you there.